All right, welcome back. So right now I'm looking at something right here, but look at what I'm gonna get today at 90%. 330 miles. All right, everybody, welcome to Kilowatt Hour Only EV channel. This is Benga. So today I am going back home. Today is August the 25th. I'm going back home after spending time with friends, and also taking care of some stuff. So right now I am about to leave, so let me turn the camera around. So right now I currently have 52% state of charge, an estimated range of 175 miles. So my first stop is going to be at the ElectrifyAmerica in let's see here, so let me see here, Walmart parking lot. Let me say this one. No, the one I see. So I'm going to stop in Garrisonville, and that will take me an hour 12 minutes to get there. 54 miles. So right now I'm about to get on the road. So I'm tired, extremely tired. So right now it is 82 degrees Fahrenheit in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. So I'm about to go. So if this is your first time viewing the channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Check out my other videos, Roadtrip videos, charging session videos, accessory review videos, and also don't forget to check out my other channel for my electric motorcycle, Kilowatt Hour Only E motorcycles channel. Yes, check that out. I have videos that I'll be posting very soon for accessory videos. I have backlog videos that are behind, but I will post them as soon as I can. Just taking care of myself and personal stuff, but I'm getting there. So let me get on the road. I don't want to waste no time. I have a long way to go. I probably won't get home around 1:30 a.m. or so, or 2 a.m. but I will get home, and if I'm tired, I'll just have to park. So if you're tired and you're going on a road trip, just park, get some rest. All right, so with all that being said, let's get on the road. All right, so right now I am at the ElectrifyAmerica station in Garrisonville Road, Stafford, Virginia. So let me go ahead and plug this in. So I was doing an average of 3.0 miles per kilowatt hour because of the traffic, and 53 miles, 1 hour 13 minutes to get here. So from what, 53%, and I got hit with 35%. So let me go ahead and plug this in, and let's see what we can get. Well, why is it that all ID4s always park on 350 kilowatt? Do they think it's gonna charge faster? I don't know. All right, let me go ahead and plug this thing in. All right, this is plugged in. Let me go to the app. It is initiating. Let me see, where am I at? This is stall number 3. Stall number 3. Swipe, and let's see what's gonna happen. Damn, I wish I could get a 350 kilowatt one. But anyway. All right, and it's recognized my car, my sign in, and let me go and see what I can get. Whew. All right, let's see here. All right, come on. Let's start. It's the initial charging. Yep, just started. Oh man, this is Genesis G80, I think, electrified. Oh yeah, charge from the front. Okay. So right now it's only pulling 55. I think I can get up to, hopefully if I can maintain 172, but I don't think I'll be able to achieve that because this location I couldn't get more than what, 130 something kilowatt. So right now, let's see. So it is ramping up right now. 115, 18. So to take me 38 minutes to 90% and 25 minutes to 80%. Let me start calculating my route so that I can plot ahead. The plan will be to stop at ElectrifyAmerica in Henderson, North Carolina. That would be the goal. All right, so let me add the ElectrifyAmerica in Henderson. So I already added that to it. So let me go ahead and add to stop. And I will get there in 2 hours, 36 minutes at 9:35. That'll be the goal. She got her stuff on. She got her charge port door. You got a charge port door. All right. It happened to me before. Let the charge port door, but the car notified me. Anyway, so 182 miles to get there. I know I have enough. If I would try and see if I can skip this and go to the one in Hillsborough. That's about 40 miles different. 40 miles. So I might do that, but I'm just gonna set this at that location just in case. And if I drive very efficient, I will try and stop by the one in Hillsborough. So, all right, I'll be back. Let me get some rest. I am tired, extremely tired. Yes, I am extremely tired. But I want to go home, get some rest, get ready for the next day to work. I like doing road trips. I love road trips. I love road trips. I like seeing different towns, different cities. You can't do it if you fly. I mean, there are times you just have to fly, but if you can't make that drive, just do it. Just do it. But yeah. Anyway, I'll be back. So right now the current charging speed is at 116 kilowatt. I believe it probably will go up a little bit. Let me just turn this around so that you guys can see. It might be showing the opposite side because I turned front facing camera. So, but anyway, right now I am charging, but it's okay. It would be nice if I can charge on a 350 kilowatt, but always the ID4 owners try to park at the 350 kilowatt thinking that they're going to charge faster than that. Just let anybody know, if you're driving an ID4, Kia Niro, Honda Kona, Chevy Bolt, okay, please don't park at a 350 kilowatt charging station. You just holding, unless there's no space. But if there's a whole lot, I mean, there's a 10 stall. Look at it over there. A lot of stalls over there. A lot of stalls. And you saw only 350 and think you're going to charge a little bit faster. That's just my rant, It's like, come on, just let people that like me that I can charge faster with a couple of minutes and go. All right. So just putting that out there. If you are one of those vehicles that cannot charge up to 200 kilowatt, don't even use it. Okay. 150 kilowatt is good enough. It is great. It's good enough to charge. Just say it. I know the other big YouTubers mentioned about that, but yeah, I mean, she looks like she got a California tag, but I mean, I thought California people should know better than that. They're good with electric vehicles. Oh man, this is an EQB or EQS SUV. Let me turn this around. Yeah, that's an EQE. This is EQE SUV. Looking nice too. I prefer this than the SUV. The EQE and the EQS, I mean, they look ugly, but the SUVs look better, So, all right, right now it's charging at 117 kilowatts. So I'll be back. Let me turn this thing down. Anything? Nope. No, all right, let me put it on. Let me turn windows down so that I can get some air. All right, 118 kilowatt. All right, so I'll be right back with a final update. All right, welcome back. So right now, I'm looking at something right here. I'm currently charging at 142 kilowatt at 24 kilowatt. But look at what I'm gonna get today at 90%. 330 miles. Wow, did it just open up the battery, extra battery capacity or so? I'm sorry, it's like I've never achieved that even at 100%. So it's like, wow, I'm gonna wait and see till that comes up. So right now I have 16% at 16 minutes ago at 69% right now, state of charge. I have an estimated range of 249, so I might even go beyond. I might go straight up to Hillsboro then, if that's the case. I might just do that if that's the case. Somehow something happened. So all right, I'll be back with the final update. Yeah, I mean this will take me home. Now I just finished charging, so let me go ahead and take that out and go home. Go home. And plug that in and push. All right, go ahead. All right, so right now I was able to add 62.3 kilowatt hour battery, 37 minutes to charge, only $35. That's good compared to the other days that I was charging. It's like, I don't know what happened. But I don't know, I mean, well, the charge, no, I think, okay, I charged about a low state of charge, so I guess that's why. But all right, let me get on the road. I gotta go. So right now I am transferring some of my videos to a SD card, so it's hooked up to a OGT. Oh man, it's hooked up to the OGT adapter, and I'm transferring that. So thank you for watching. Let's get on the road. All right, let's see here. Is the car connected? Nope. Yeah, okay, now it's connected. So let's go. So according to my previous GPS calculation, I was supposed to stop at get out, bud. Get out. Let's go. 7-minute delay somewhere. Okay. Have to go try another traffic between here and Lady Smith, Virginia. So right now, I will be. So right now I have the AC on and I got 306. Both ACs are on. So if I turn it off, let me turn it off and just turn it. So I have 329 miles. I'm gonna keep it that way. 86 degrees Fahrenheit. I believe the rear AC is still on. Let me see. Nope, they're both off. So is the seat that is on right now, the cooling seat. Let's see here. All right, I got a great charging session here. Very great, but it would have been nice if I was able to charge. Oh, lights are off. Okay, I put on auto. I turn it off, the headlight off, because I had to use my car as my place of sleep. So I have a video of the air mattress that I set up, so stay tuned for that. It was great. The mattress was great, firm, and it was great. I'm not digging the pillow because I mean, I don't know, I'm not digging the pillow though. I'm not digging it. Maybe I need to soften it a little bit. Maybe I will see. I will try another time and see how that goes. So right now, 330 miles on 89% estimated state of charge. 89% state of charge, 330 miles. This is a record for me. Okay, I don't know about other drivers, EV9 drivers, like you're going on a road trip, not driving on a local road. I mean, I drove a local road yesterday in Maryland, but just charging, going from a highway to another highway, and you charge and you're able to get this. Let me know this in the comment section. I'll also post this in the Facebook group and see if anybody able to achieve this. All right, I'll be back. Enjoy the view.